Alright guys, so here's day 2 of the motor build. Today's a short day. I don't have much time to work on it, but I figured I'd sneak down here for a couple hours at least. Not even. And get done what I get done. I got a long day of work tomorrow. Gotta go in early. So, that's why I snuck down here for a little bit tonight. I got some more parts I need. I got the bolts to fix the turbo. I got my new spark plugs. Which are 1 step colder, I believe. 1 step colder plugs. We'll see how those run. If they run like shit, then we'll put stock ones back in. But if not, even better. So now you're looking at this motor like, well, that looks a lot different than it did yesterday. That's because I got the timing cover on, and just got this intake manifold on, which that totally changed the appearance. Now it looks like a motor again. Yeah, it just goes to show you how tall these intake manifolds are. These things flow. I've been told that the 05 RS is the best intake manifold to have. And yes, the RS, not the actually the S7. RS one flows the best compared to other ones. So now we're just assembling the top end here. And like I said, today's video is going to be pretty short. I still got an AS jersey to get online. Yeah, I just haven't had time. So all these videos probably just come out in a series, you know, in the next few days here. It's not going to be exactly like the night it's done, I have a video out. You know how it goes. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have more time to edit yesterday's video and today's video and get them out in the next few days here. So I'm just going to throw you on a quick little time lapse here, and we're going to finish putting this motor together. Alright, so that's where I am calling it for tonight. Like I said, I have to work tomorrow, like super early. It's a long story. I'm going to show you. She is pretty much together, kind of, sort of. Everything's fit up, and most of the things are torqued down to what they need to be. We're going to run it like this for now. I might end up changing out injectors, fuel pump, there's other stuff. This is mostly just to get started, and then if we have to, we're going to come back and add on. We're going to see how far we can push it with the VF39 and check the AFRs then, because I am going to have on the return line, I'm going to have one of those boost things. As the text boost, it increases fuel pressure. We're going to see what that gets us. We will most likely have to put different injectors in here 90% positive, and probably a new fuel pump. But I think she's pretty much back together. The header's just test fit on. I didn't tighten that or anything because, as you can see, my flex pipe broke. So we're gonna have to do something about that because that's broken. Like, I don't think that's weldable because it's just gonna break more. So I don't have to take care of that yet. Might have to put a new flex pipe in. I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna do because this one's like a really short one. And yeah, I mean, I got all the wiring harness hooked back up and everything. Like I said, just a short video tonight of engine assembly. And yeah, that's pretty much, that's it. Now I'm gonna go up to the house. Maybe I'll have time to edit tonight, maybe not. I don't know. I'd like to, but I don't want to half-ass it either. So until I get more parts, this is pretty much where we stand, or it can continue on. I still need to get oil, like basic things, oil, coolant, all that. You'll see in the next video whenever that comes out. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.